Alright guys, welcome back. Hope you guys had a great weekend. I almost died over the weekend. I won't go into that, but we can't all get what we want, so here I am making videos for you again still. I will be making a second video. I don't know why I'm pointing down there. I'm going to be making a second video, so check that out after I upload this one. So let's get started with this video. So I just finished up working on this box right here. There's 2 of the lighting circuits left, and these 2 lighting circuits are left, which go here, so the 4 flexes will go down here. So that still needs to get done, but for the most part, got all these flexes done, all of them strapped here. It kind of didn't turn out as I wanted. Kind of just tried to get them over there. I had a little bit of extra room, but they're already done, so I figure I'll just leave them. So those 2 flexes right there will be right here, and then those 2 don't need any because they're just going from there to there. Not the worst, but just didn't like how they all like crammed in right there, how they all overlap each other. So it probably would have been better just to do the 2-layer stacked, and then they would have been just pretty much straight like this. So anyways, so worked on that today, and then just did like 9 or 10 panel covers on the 3rd floor, so they can get ready to turn the power on so nothing's exposed. So these are all coming down nice and pretty. So 10 flexes in each, 10, 10, 10, and 10. And then you got these up here. This side doesn't look too bad, but this side is kind of a little of a mess, but they're long enough I can push them which way I want to. So probably want to take a piece of wood or just something to lift these off of these metal pieces right here, the hat channel, because you don't want screws going up into them. So figure out something. I'm not sure how we're going to support this, or if they want it supported. Either can just do spreader bars in there and then zip ties, or spreader bar and straps, or just straps to the wood over there on the TGI. So anyways guys, I'm going to do a video talking about which hammer I use. Someone left a comment asking me which hammer I used and why, or what hammer I recommend, so I'm going to go over that when I get home. So if you're watching this, make sure to check that out. Just want to say thanks again for all the support. Thanks for coming back. Usually just upload during the weekdays, so channel kind of dies over the weekend. It usually goes down like 200 views over the weekend, so I'm going to try to boost that up, get this extra video out, but also just wanted to answer one of the questions. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just wanted to go over what I've been working on today. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a like and subscribe if you're new. If you want to follow me along. And anyways guys, thanks for watching. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. See you tomorrow. Actually, I'll see you soon because I'm doing a second video, and then I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.